6-year-old student body organization supported by faculty and its wonderful sponsors. Since its inception in 2008, we have come a long way. Through its 3-tier sturdy team structure and unbreakable passion, we kicked off the season with an event target analysis and are all geared up for our upcoming season. Let's see what we have in store.
This year, our major focus is on improving the performance of our car. As we know from Newton's second law of motion that F equal to ma. So for a given force, if you decrease the mass, you'll be able to increase the acceleration. And that is why one of our major aim is weight reduction. We started with a design weight of 240 kgs as against last year's 264 kg. But the hard work of our design engineers have helped us to outperform our own targets, and we have finally landed on a design weight of 230 kgs. Let us hear from our design engineers how they feel about designing this car.
My name is Prahlad. I am a vehicle dynamics design engineer. We also call it SSB in our team as it concerns with suspension, steering and brakes. It essentially has 3 major objectives to improve stability, handling and performance of the vehicle. For improving the stability and handling of our car, we have optimized our parameters according to the needs of our race car vehicle. We have also managed to achieve an overall weight reduction of 13% in our assembly.
Have you ever wondered how an F1 car corners at such high velocities? This is where aerodynamics comes in. This year, we have implemented a carbon fiber underbody diffuser to increase downforce and maximize traction, producing 10 kgs of downforce at 60 km per hour.
This year, our aim was to increase the performance by 40%. This can be achieved by using brushless DC motors instead of TFDC motors.
The powertrain consists of a system which transmits the power from the motor to the wheels via the gearbox. Over the years, we have implemented several gearboxes such as 2-stage gearbox and planetary gearboxes. But this year, to enhance the car's performance by even greater margin, we had to come up with a better idea. After several discussions and meetings, we have come up with the novel idea of a hybrid gearbox. This hybrid gearbox is even more compact and has a 60% weight reduction in comparison to a planetary gearbox.
Our main objective is to improve the car performance during through power.
For that, we control the torque of each motor using active feedback system to achieve desired yaw rate for optimized performance. This is our simulation model for this year, which consists of 3 major building blocks: driver, control block and vehicle dynamics. This is our desired path and this is the path followed by our vehicle. You can see the path followed by our vehicle is almost similar to the desired path.
Hi, I designed the brain of the car or the electronic differential. My system takes input from the numerous sensors on the car and controls the individual output to the motors. This allows implementation of advanced driver assist systems such as launch control and traction control.
Hi, I have designed a data acquisition system that measures the important parameters of the electric race car. The data acquisition system has a central processor, it's a big album that parallelly extracts data from all the sensors mounted on the car, wirelessly transmits it to the pit where a customized GUI that we have made displays all the data.
This year, we have shifted to high voltage accumulator system of 400 volts. In order to reduce the power losses associated with the tractor system, 288 high energy density lithium polymer cells are housed in a lightweight carbon fiber container.
When you receive electric signal from point A to point B, what you think of is a copper wire from point A to point B. But our work starts here. We need to think of wire gauge, of the routing of wire, and we also need to think about the optimization of the routing of the wire. But the work doesn't end here. The ends of wire are still left. We need to think of connector, the enclosures, and this collectively builds up the subsystem known as system integration.
Hi, I have designed the low voltage safety system of the car, which ensures the safety of the car, its driver and the surroundings. So we've placed sensors all over the car to detect any errors, and the system that we have designed disconnects the high voltage connection between the battery and the motors and stops the car, thus ensuring the safety.
Progress of any technical team is impossible without an R&D department. We focus on innovative ideas that can be implemented in the future seasons. Despite being in its first year, we have been working on groundbreaking ideas like carbon fiber rims, numerical tire modeling, and implementation of aerodynamic wings.
The spine of a great team is a great organization. This vertical is responsible for handling all the backend operations, right from the accounting to creatives. It it is also responsible for maintaining an enthusiastic environment within the team and healthy relationships with the sponsors.
Having completed the design, the team is all ready to fabricate the car. Look out for EVo 4 to set the roads on fire soon.